Hey everyone, it's me, your social babe. My name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Mother's Day is around the corner. So in this video, we'll be learning how to create a very beautiful Mother's Day design using Canva. Now before we proceed, I have just one small request to make. If you enjoy watching my videos and you think they are valuable enough, so do consider subscribing to my channel. It really motivates me to work even harder. Now, without much talking, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. For this design, I'll be using Instagram post dimension itself. Let me just quickly name the document first. Okay, so for this, I have my color palette already decided. I'll be using this as my background color. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. Now just press T on your keyboard and type M. Let me just increase its size and we'll also change its font to this one. Okay, now just place this letter to somewhere like this in the middle and press Alt. While pressing Alt, drag this letter over here and select both these elements and bring it to the center. Now go to Effects, select this shadow option, change the color to white, and now I'll just play with the settings as per my preference. You can of course change the settings as you like. Done. Now go to the Elements tab and search for moon. I want a very realistic type of an element. I think this one will do. Now just press Alt and then reduce its size so that it doesn't move away from its center point. Now again search for circle neon white and I'll take this ring over here, then keep pressing Alt, reduce its size and then position it to back. I think I'll reduce its size a little bit more. Okay, now select these two elements, moon and the ring light, and just group them, Ctrl G. Now let me just check if they are aligned properly. Yes, they are. Perfect. Now what I'll do is select both these letters and group them separately. Ctrl G. Now in the Elements tab, search for Mom, and in the Graphics tab, you will get this element over here. Let me just enlarge it and position it in the center. Perfect. Now let's search for black gradient background. And just scroll down until you find this element. Let me just enlarge this to something like this, position it to center, and I'll select this M letter group and bring it to front. Perfect. Now let's search for another keyword. Take the first element, flip it vertically, and then position it to top left, and then just cover the artboard and position it backwards. Perfect. Again, go to elements and search for heart 3D. Come to the first tab and scroll down, and you will find this particular element. Okay, I'll just move it a little upwards. Yeah, so once you're done positioning it, you can just push it backwards, push it to back. Perfect. Now I'll just take this gradient, the upper gradient, and then push it to back because I don't want this gradient to cover the heart. Okay, now let's go to the elements tab again and search for dust texture, and I'll go with the first option itself. Just cover the artboard with it and position it to back and reduce its transparency. Then I'll search for floral pattern and I'll go with this option. Let's change its color to black again, and then just position it to top left and back and cover the whole artboard. Then reduce its transparency. Perfect. Now time for some text. So just press T on your keyboard and add your text. Okay, let me just make it as uppercase and then change its font to Montserrat Extra Bold. Change the text color to white and let's just increase its size a little bit. Then I'll just increase the letter spacing a little bit. And then go to effects. I'll choose the third option, lift, and increase its intensity to the maximum. Perfect. Okay, I think I can increase its size a little bit more. Okay. Okay, now let's add our another text. Happy Mother's Day. Then change its color to white so that it's visible and bring it to the bottom and center. And I'll just change its font to this one. Let me just increase its size a little bit. Now I'll just reduce the letter spacing a little. I think this is fine. Now just position it to center and then go to effects, shadows, and change the color to our background color, and then just play with the settings as you like. And our Mother's Day special design is ready. Let me know what you think. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.